Welcome back, folks. In our previous episode, we started some watercress seeds and some basil seeds. And in today's episode, we're going to transplant those sprouts into the system. But first, we need to add some nutrients and pH our water. So I let this water stand for 24 hours, and now we're going to add our nutrients. And this is the nutrients I swear by. It's called Master Blend. The instructions are on the bag, but we're gonna go 1/3 strength because the plants are at its baby stage. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of the Master Blend. Mix to dissolve and then add it to your reservoir. 1 teaspoon of the magnesium sulfate. Mix to dissolve and then add it to your reservoir. And 2 teaspoons of the calcium nitrate. Make sure it's dissolved and then add it to your reservoir. And this is the recipe I use for 15 gallons of water with baby sprouts. Okay, now for the pH. I know that watercress likes pH of 6.0 to 7.0 and basil 6.5 to 6.8. So my target pH will be 6.6 to 6.7, which will be compatible with both vegetables that I'm trying to grow. I know that my tap water is 8.0, and after I add my nutrients it's about 7.0. So now we're going to use some pH down to get it down to our pH target. And now that I reach my target of 6.6 to 6.7, we're off to the races. Next up, we're going to transfer our sprouts into our net cups and drop them into the system. So I just use a barbecue stick to dig out a little section of the sprouts. I give them a little rinse in the water to rinse off all the cocoa core. Remove 3 or 4 of the sprouts, set them in my pool noodle, and set it in the net cup. And that's it. It's ready to go in the system. Now let's get her done. Catch episode 2. Thanks for watching.